In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an itinerary on Canva. Whether you're planning a trip, organizing a conference, or just wanting to keep your schedule tidy, creating a visually appealing itinerary can make all the difference. With Canva, it's incredibly easy and, more importantly, fun to design. So, let's dive right in and start crafting your personalized itinerary. To begin this journey, navigate to the Canva website or open the app if you have it installed on a device. Canva is an excellent tool that provides a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of design experience. Once you're there, you'll want to start by typing itinerary into the search bar. This simple search will promptly pull up a wide range of pre-designed templates catered specifically for itinerary making. Browsing through the available templates, you'll notice a variety of styles, from minimalist and sleek to vibrant and colourful. Choose a template that resonates best with your preference or the theme of your event. Don't rush this step, take your time to pick one that really sings to you. Once you've found that perfect template, click on the Customize this template button. This action will bring the template into your workspace, so you can start making it your own. Now here comes the exciting part, customization. The template you selected now serves as your creative canvas. You can modify text boxes, change fonts, adjust colors, and even add your own images to bring your itinerary to life. Canva's drag and drop feature makes this process a breeze. Remember, this is your itinerary, so it should reflect your style and meet your needs. As you edit, focus on changing the placeholder information to fit with your itinerary details. Input dates, times, locations, and any other relevant information that you need to communicate. Don't forget to ensure that all text is legible and use contrast wisely to make important details stand out. The design should be visually engaging, yet easy to read. Finally, once you've tweaked and perfected your design, you're ready to save your creation. Canva offers options to download your itinerary in various formats such as PDF or PNG, which are perfect for printing or sharing digitally with others. You can even share the design directly from Canva if you want to collaborate with friends or colleagues. And there you have it, creating an itinerary on Canva is as simple and rewarding as that. By investing a bit of time and creativity, you have designed something practical yet beautiful. This personalized itinerary you've crafted is not only a useful tool for organization, but it's also a reflection of your personal taste and attention to detail. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you a wonderful, well-organized event or trip.